Curious about the fuse box locations in your Tata Harrier BSVI? Wondering what each fuse controls and how to identify them? This guide provides detailed diagrams and explanations to help you manage electrical components efficiently and confidently. Battery-mounted fuse. The battery-mounted fuse protects the electrical system by preventing overcurrent. It is directly connected to the battery for quick response to power surges. Typically, it is durable and designed to withstand engine heat and vibrations. Engine compartment fuse box. How to remove the fuse box. The engine compartment fuse box houses critical fuses and relays that control essential vehicle functions, such as the engine, cooling system, and ABS. It protects these circuits from electrical overloads. The box is typically labeled for easy identification. Cabin compartment fuse box. Cover removal procedure. The cabin compartment fuse box provides essential circuit protection for various electrical components inside the vehicle, such as interior lighting, power windows, and the infotainment system. It is typically located under the dashboard or near the glove compartment for easy access.
Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade, fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse, glass tube fuse, AGC fuse, SFE fuse, ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse, PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse, link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse, fuse conditions: blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses: turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.